So we're gonna break down how I made $25,000 in less than 48 hours. All of this was done with an iPhone, so as long as you have a phone, you're good. And this money was made with the TikTok Shop affiliate program, which I've been talking about a lot, and you guys seem to love these videos. And it's because it actually works. There's a lot of videos on YouTube how to make money, but they're complex, they're hard to start, you need thousands of dollars. This is so simple that, like I said, all you need is a phone. And some of you guys that joined my community, like Brian, made 10K in the last week. It is proven to work, and I am so excited to hop into it. So we just pulled up the dashboard here, and you can see this is from February 3rd until the 4th, so a couple days ago. And it says around 29K, but that's not actually what it was, because some people want refunds, returns, you know, they're schmucks and they don't want to pay. So if you scroll down, you can see the commission base was 25.7K, and the estimated commission, which I actually take home, is about 5.6K. That's like 2,800 bucks a day. That paid my rent in 2 days. That's crazy. And if you scroll down, you can even see which products went viral, which you can see at the bottom, like this sync thing. You have a retractable charger. We'll break it down. I'm gonna blow your brain and show you how easy this is. And a lot of you guys already know this, but I really want to go in depth into how simple it is making these videos, and you can really make a lot of money. So this video was posted a couple days ago. It was simply me using, right, this little tiny strainer looking thing, and it's a product on the TikTok Shop, and people can sell it and make commission every time they get a sale. The cool part is this was 20% commission. So if I sold $100 worth of this little strainer sucker thing, I made 20 bucks. And the crazy part is anyone could have made this video. All you needed to do, this was like a sink, maybe a little bit of nasty bread to make it kind of go viral and stuff, and then just the product. And that's all you needed to do this. So that video got around 1 million views, and it ended up bringing in around $16,000 in sales, which is crazy. And the reason why I didn't keep going is because the product sold out, and I was so freaking heated. We sold like so many of them so fast that the supplier literally did not have enough. So once you sell out a product, TikTok stops promoting the video, because why would they promote a video if you're not selling anything? At least that's how it works on the TikTok Shop. The same day I posted this video, right? 3.6 million views. This blew my mind, bro. This was actually crazy. Like all I was doing was showing off the dangly cord and then showing off the solution, which is this thing. And inside the video, I was saying like, yeah, don't be giving your girl this funny looking charger or something like that. I had like my Boston accent. And yeah, I got 3 million views. And I want to break down how you guys can do the same exact thing. All you have to do is post videos using your phone on TikTok Shop. Watch, this is a little bit of sauce. Every single video you post, for example right here, is a chance at hitting a gold mine. So imagine it like this. Every time you take 20 minutes to record a TikTok Shop video, you're placing a drill on top of the earth, and every time you post a video, you're doing another drill. So you have hundreds of drills after like a month all over Earth. Eventually, one of those drills is gonna hit gold, and you're gonna be freaking rich, bro, or sis. That's what I'm saying here. With TikTok Shop affiliates, the same thing. This video, for example, 3,500 views. It was a complete flop, right? It was a waste of my 20 minutes making the video. But the next video got 31,000 views, and this probably made me, you know, 100, 200 bucks, maybe 300, not too bad, right? Next video, 12K, it's all right. The next drill that we planted got almost 250,000 views, right? And because of that, this made me probably, I don't remember exactly, but at least $1,000, which is crazy. And then some of the videos that you post, like this sync one, made me 16,000 bucks in revenue. That's just, bro, it's never been easier to make money. I really want to emphasize the fact that this is a lot easier than it looks. But the reason why you might have tried it and you're not successful, or you haven't tried it at all yet, is because you just don't know what to say, right? It's difficult coming up with things on the spot. Some people say you need to write a script, you need to have a teleprompter and all this crap. No, it's off the dome. And it's all about sales and psychology. It's almost like playing the piano for the first time. You try it once, you're gonna suck. Twice, you're probably still ass. Third time, After 3 months of doing it, you're probably going to be pretty damn good. It's the same thing with TikTok Shop, right? The first video you post, you're going to be aimless. You're going to be clueless. You're not going to know what to do. I've posted thousands of TikToks in my life, and I want to break down the psychology behind going viral. Because as soon as it just kicks in, right? As soon as you just realize something, there's just a day when you sit there and you hear some piece of information, or you see a video go viral and you realize it, it just clicks inside your head and you're like, yo, this is a piece of cake. I know what to do now. So if you want to start TikTok Shop, remember you need an account with over 5,000 followers, or you can do the 0 follower method, which is in the description. Once you get an account, you simply sign up for TikTok Shop. It's right in your settings. It takes 2 seconds. If you need help, join my community. We'll help you out. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about how to actually go viral once you're set up on TikTok Shop. So we're going to break down this video. Right? Once again, it made around 16,000 in sales from about 1 million views, right? Not too bad at all. And it could have made more, but the product freaking sold out. So like you guys know, there's 3 parts to every single video. You have the hook, meat and potatoes, and then the call to action. Oh, and it made it even worse. I needed to clear my throat, and the black coffee did not help. So if you have a sink with one of these things, I don't think you realize how bad this is. You got mold on the bottom, food on the top, plus it smells up your whole house. But I found a solution. Instead of using this thing, grab yourself one of these. This thing's great because it has a filter inside to keep the smell out. Plus, you can press it down like this to stop the water from going in. You just grab it and stick it right into the hole. For example, I'm washing my dishes, there's water all over the place. Press this button, and boom, sucks it all right in. Got food in it? No problem. Pluck it out, dump it out, and boom, ready to go. If you want to grab one of these things, they're usually 30 bucks on the TikTok shop. Right now, they're only 15, so if you want to grab it before the sale ends, now's your last chance. So here's the key when it comes to the hook. You need to stop the millions of people from aimlessly going like this all day long. You need to get them to stop scrolling, which is the hardest part. This is a trick to go viral every single time. It works flawlessly. Call the person out directly, whoever you're marketing this to. What I like to do best is, let's say I'm promoting this cup. It's very simple. If you like to drink water, take a look at this thing. In this video, if you have a sink, because of this, it sounds stupid. Like if you have a sink, yeah, everyone has a sink. But the thing is, you're relating to them in some way. So when they see that, right, they're constantly scrolling the cat videos, the girls twerking, they see this. If you have a sink, they're like, oh, I have a sink. So immediately you catch their attention. It works every time. I don't know why. It's just psychology, bro. As soon as you do that, if you have a sink, immediately you need to start relating to them. You caught their attention, relate to them. Inside of this sink, it is disgusting, right? It is so gross. Look at this. There's like mold underneath and stuff. There's like bread on top. It's all mushy. It's nasty. People can relate to that. Usually sinks aren't that clean. As soon as they relate to it, they feel connected to you. Right? They feel more comfortable watching the video. Now they can, you're actually building rapport with that viewer. You then need to point out how this relation is actually a problem, right? So now that you built rapport, they trust you just a tiny bit more because you have a connection about a freaking sink. Now you say, hey, this is actually a problem. So it evokes their curiosity, so they want to keep watching. Why is my sink a problem? Oh, because of the nasty mold underneath. As soon as you indicate the problem, you need to spit the solution in their face, or that was mean. You need to present the solution inside their face. Boom, look at this thing. By immediately comparing this nasty looking sink faucet thing, or this drainer that looks like that, it's gross, to a nice, clean, upgraded one, they're gonna sit there being like, yo, what is that? That's kind of cool. You need to now keep their attention throughout the video and show why this is a really good solution. So that's what I'm doing, right? I'm just showing off the cool features of the product, showing if I click the little button, it sucks all of it in like a little vortex. Then, get rid of the nasty bread. Bada bing, bada boom. Here's the thing. They've watched the content, they understand the solution, maybe they're interested, right? This video was targeted towards the TikTok moms because most college dudes, right, dudes around my age, I'm only 20, we don't really care about a sink. I don't care about my sink that much, but established mothers that have families, they care about the little things in life like this. So this is targeted towards moms. So I'm going to keep that in the back of my mind and show off the little things that a college dude like me, I mean, I'm not in college, but someone my age wouldn't really care about. You want to make sure that you're appealing to whatever audience is going to buy this the most, because college kids aren't going to buy this. TikTok moms will. Towards the end of the video, I need to really sell them on this. It's like if I invented a brand new phone called the Pear, right? Instead of Apple. Get it? Because I invented a new phone called the Pear. If I show people this brand new Pear phone, it's going to be very difficult to sell them on it because, this is a brand new company. They don't recognize it. It's not like Apple that's been around for decades. That's actually, very established and credible. Just like you on TikTok Shop, you're showing off this random product that probably isn't a name brand. Because of that, you need to really, really sell them on it at the end of the video. And the way to do that is by showing them how it's a great discount on the TikTok Shop. Everyone loves discounts. Everyone likes bargains. Because of that, it is the simplest and most effective way to sell anything on the TikTok Shop. So towards the end of the video, I had my little Boston accent to, come across a little bit more friendly. I'm like, hey, look, so this thing is usually 30 bucks on the TikTok Shop, but right now it's only $15. So if you want to grab it, get it before the sale ends. Boom. Just like that. They're sold on it. They want it. Why? If right off the bat I came off like, yo, this is $15, they have nothing to really compare it to. So in their heads, they're like, oh, it's 15? That's kind of pricey, for a sink faucet. But once you give them the initial base of 30 and you're coming down to 15, it looks a lot more like a discount. And it's actually true, you know, because this was 30 and now it's only 15. Because of that, you're comparing the price in their head. You're helping them logically justify it, because people will make emotional purchases that are justified by logic. So because of that, you want to emotionally sell them on it, get them feeling that disgust by looking at the thing. It's nasty, it's gross, I want to puke. And then towards the end, logically justify it so that in their heads, they're like, okay, I really want this, but I don't know if it's a good idea. Hey, it's usually 30 bucks, but right now it's 15. Oh, yep, I need this thing. The last part of it, right? This is the sinker. This will really hook them in. You know, you just threw out the frickin', what is this called? Fishing line? Yeah, I don't fish. You just threw out the fishing line. The fish grabbed on. They grabbed onto your bait. Now you need to reel them in to actually make the purchase. How do you do that? Because a lot of people are just going to save the video, and maybe they're like, oh, I'll come back later. You need them to buy right now, right? Because 2 days later, they're not going to feel the same emotion that they are right now. So instead of making them save the video, you want to let them know that this sale is not going to be here forever. You know, evoke some scarcity, some urgency. I know I repeat these things in my other videos, but I really want to break it down because this video made $16,000, guys. This was incredible. You know, that's over $3,000 in profit for less than 30 minutes worth of work. And I bought this for only 15 bucks. You know, it cost me 15 bucks to make in 30 minutes of my time. Guess what we made? Over $3,000 with this one video. That's incredible. Now that you get the gist of it, that is going to be the most effective way to go viral on TikTok, because like you guys saw, this got 1 million views because it's a problem with a solution. This one got 3.6 million views, but it didn't convert nearly as well. 3.6 million over almost 4 times as many views. This only sold, I think, like 6,000 or 8,000. I'll put the screenshot on the screen, but not many. Honestly, it didn't sell that many, and I think it's because this product is oversaturated. You know, I made videos on this before. I've probably generated like 10 million views already. Everyone's seen it. Everyone that wants to buy it already did. The problem isn't as solid as this one as well. So when you're looking for something, make sure it's new. It's untapped. You know, no one wants a used peanut butter jelly sandwich with bite marks and saliva on it. That's disgusting. People want something new, a brand new cheeseburger that's just coming out of the oven, or the barbecue, just coming out of the barbecue. That's not even the grill, right? It's just coming off the grill, a brand new cheeseburger. That's what they want. So you need to find products that solve a problem, that are brand new to the market, that you can actually, you know, sell and be the first one there. Because if you're the first one, or, you know, within the first week of this product really coming out, that's when you can make the most money. It's almost like a gold mine that no one's discovered yet, meaning that you can take most of the gold from it. So once you have that mindset, that will help you find products. Like this video, we're not even going to break it down that much. You know, it follows the same principles. You know, I have a hook at the beginning that lured them in. I was talking about how, you know, you don't want to be giving your girl this dangly cord. In the meat and potatoes part, I'm just showing off how the product's used. As simple as that. Plug it into your girl's phone. When she's done, she just pulls it back. Bada bing, bada boom, it goes in. We don't really need to see this, right? At the end, it was a call to action. You know, simple as that. But this was the one that made the most money. So I really wanted to dive into that. But let's actually dive into how you guys can find winning products so that you can start making money on TikTok Shop. So this is Callow data. You can go on there, find a bunch of products. I actually don't use this as much anymore because I've found that TikTok Shop actually helps me a lot more, like on their actual product marketplace. So we went to the TikTok Shop Creator Center, which is inside of your TikTok. And you can see if you scroll down a little bit, it has this thing called best sellers. This is actually where I found this product right here. This is where I found the sink looking thing. So I highly recommend going to this area. It's like, it's getting better and better by the day. Because remember, TikTok is a multi-billion-dollar company. You know, their algorithms are solid and they're going to actually find bestsellers. So usually what I do is I go up to the filter in the top left and I'll change it to 20 to 30%. Then I'll click view results because I'm not promoting a 5% product. Been there, done that, it sucks. And like literally the first one, yo, no way, that's crazy. No way. Yo, this is actually a banger. So I just added it to my showcase. And the reason why is because this solves a really good problem. You know, a lot of cars, they smell like really bad, you know, including my car. So this would really help out a lot of people. It has over 1,000 sold, which is definitely a plus. It's at a discount right now. You know, it's usually 33. It's only 23 right now. On top of that, really good reviews. It's going viral right now. Like if we actually click on here, we go here, we can see this video went viral 3 days ago. 3 days ago, this went viral. It only has 1,000 likes, but if we go to this guy's page, right, it has 290,000 views. You can't really see it too well, but you can see it right there, 290,000 views. If it only has 1,000 likes, that means that obviously people aren't engaging with this a crazy ton, right? But whenever TikTok promotes it, it's selling really well. TikTok is going to prioritize videos on TikTok Shop that are selling well and are going viral at that moment. So if you have a video up about a product that is going viral at the moment, TikTok's going to boost it so much more. Remember, it's a very smart algorithm. And I actually just bought this like a day ago. I can't believe it popped up. But this is a winner. It solves a problem, great reviews, really good deal right now, and it's being pushed by TikTok. That alone makes me want to buy this product, or promote this product. But as I keep scrolling down, I'm looking for this same exact thing, right? Things that stand out, that solve a problem. So let's actually, let's find something good here. Okay, so I just found another one. This one I actually already made videos on. No way, this dude has a Corvette? Oh, that's sick. That's crazy. But anyways, yeah, so this one has 20% commission, really solid. So if we look at it, right, it solves a problem. I've made so many videos with this product, right? This is just a new listing, but it's only 15 bucks, $5 shipping, but still, 20% commission. It's not too bad. Solves a problem, really good reviews at, it has 500 sold, but I've seen other listings that have tens of thousands sold. So it's a winning product, so I'd add this to my showcase as well. But anyways, you guys get the gist. Those are the things that oh, we found another one. This is like 3 in the last 5 minutes. Okay, 1,000 sold, good ratings. It doesn't have a deal right now, so that's probably going to deter some people, but it does solve a problem, right? This is fireproof your candles? Yeah, it's like instead of lighting your candles, you just use this thing. The red flag is there's no videos made on this yet, and only 100 in stock, so I actually probably wouldn't do this one. It's a winning product, but there's not enough, traction to it yet. So, if I wanted to take a risk, maybe, but I'd have to buy the product. Oh, look, we got a vegetable chopper. You guys have probably already seen this, but still 21% commission, enough in stock, a good amount sold. We have a flash sale right now. Good reviews. Oh my God, $16 shipping. All right, screw that, never mind. But yeah, you guys get the point. That's essentially what you want to do to find winning products. That's what's working right now. Remember, if you keep up to date, you turn notifications on my channel, I'm going to keep you up to date with TikTok Shop and like what to do in the moment. Calo data is nice, like I talked about, like this site right here. You can go through, find winning products, see the revenue. That's the good part, right? You can see how much revenue is being generated. You can't do that on TikTok. But the best sellers list is really goated right now, so I highly recommend it. You guys have been catching on to this, like I said. Brian, he made 10K in the last week. And then this is my dude Z on day number 2, right? He just started a fresh account. Day 2, $750 in profit on day 2. That is crazy. 5K in sale. That's insane. Like, you guys are killing it in this community. We got Ori on day 2. How much did he make? $100. Not too shabby. Let's go up. Chucky, $500 in sales on day 4. This is just too easy, guys. You guys are winning. Congratulations to everyone inside of TikTok Mastery that is winning right now. Like, you guys are goated. If you guys want to join TikTok Mastery, you get access to this community, which is in Discord. And on top of that, you also get access to the course with over 8 hours of content just like this. So if you really want to get started, the link to TikTok Mastery is inside the description. Other than that, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you want to see anything specific in the future, comment it down below. Post notifications, subscribe, you know the gist. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Peace, y'all.